Group Together made getting a gift and a card so easy. I don't know how I've never done it in the past. I just love the fact that everyone could just click on this one link and put their message that they want in the card, add a little cheeky photos so that everyone was all in the one card and the recipient could see it from everybody. It made it so easy to get funds from everyone to get a gift. You could set a time period that you wanted it limited to so that it gives you enough time to collate the money and purchase that gift or get something online. Easiest process ever. I don't know how I never did it in the past. It saved me setting up an extra bank account and shuffling around to all sorts of studio locations to get people's messages on one massive card. It just was so simple and I recommend it to anybody. I'll definitely be using this again. Thank you, Group Together.